this morning and I wrote down this song. With 10 years together and still going strong, I wouldn't trade my love for anyone else, 'cause you are so easy to love. We wake up together and go separate ways. The day's almost ended when I see your face. You look so pretty, like the stars up above, and you are so easy to love. And I love you more than the sun, more than the wind, more than the rain. My love's harder than steel and longer than time and hotter than fire. It's so easy to see you were made for me, 'cause you're so easy to love. If all that I'd worked for in life were all gone, I would need nothing except you